There is no other conglomerate that had more impact on India than the Ambani family owned Reliance business empire. They have a huge role in the energy industry, telecommunication, media, textile, retail, and much more. Mukesh Ambani's Jio has started a digital revolution in the country. His brother Anil Ambani is the biggest name in India's finance market. The Ambanis have been also directly involved in India's most popular sport, cricket. Let's have a look at what the Ambanis exactly did for the cricket business in India. International cricket in India began way back in the 1933. At that time, it was only test cricket that was being played, and the number of people actually interested in the game was minimal. Gradually, the sport caught eyeballs and Indians actually started becoming fans of the game. The first ever Cricket World Cup in 1975 made the sport faster and more interesting. However, there wasn't much craze about that trophy in India until the Kapil Dev's men became the world champions in 1983, and it fueled the sport in the country. After the first 3 editions of the World Cup being held in England, India brought the World Cup to the subcontinent. It was possible because Reliance Industries decided to pour in money and became the primary sponsors of the tournament, co-hosted by India and Pakistan. The then executive director of Reliance Industries, Anil Ambani, stated later that the tournament had exceeded their own financial expectations and also the sports expectations from the people in the subcontinent. The Eden Gardens hosted the final of the tournament, which was played by Australia and England, and the crowd present at the stadium to support 2 foreign teams meant that cricket was the real winner. The Reliance Industries received praises from administrators around the world associated with cricket, and some even believed that the World Cup moving out to India eventually turned out to be much better than the expected results. It brought about the peak of cricket viewership in the subcontinent, and the cricket world grew multifold. The fans' premium mode of engagement with cricket had shifted from newspapers and radios to the television sets. Indian cricket and the BCCI took an upward curve since then, and is now a superpower in the world of cricket. Television ads were a major contributor to the cricket business. To attract more people to watch the game on TV, the broadcasters kept adding multiple features like the colorful and more informative scoreboard, wagon wheel presentations, run rate graphs, and the latest technology Hawkeye also came in. The IPL attracted more Indians to cricket on TV than any other tournament ever could. 29 years after the 1987 World Cup, the peak of cricket viewership in India was once again taken to the next level by an Ambani. Anil's elder brother Mukesh Ambani launched Jio Networks in 2016 and provided free internet all over India. It brought another change to the mode of cricket content consumption, and people took to their smartphones to watch the cricket telecast. The launch of Jio saw a mind-blowing increment of 1500% in mobile data usage from about 700 MB per month to a whopping 11 GB per month across India, according to the Business Insider news report. This enabled the broadcasters to stream cricket on smartphones to increase their viewership. In 2019, a total of 462 million viewers watched the IPL on TV and about 300 million viewers on the OTT platform Hotstar. IPL 2020 saw the biggest opening viewership of any global sporting tournament, with a viewership of 200 million people across TV and OTT platforms during the first game between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. To beat the game of football, which is watched across many more countries than the IPL, is a huge achievement for the BCCI and the broadcasters. However, all this was made possible by the cheap internet available, and Mukesh Ambani's Jio played more than a pivot's role to bring the financial windfall to the country. The telecom network provider Jio has another major contribution to the IPL by sponsoring all the 8 teams in the IPL, and its owners' contribution not only end here, they also own the team Mumbai Indians. The Mumbai-based franchisee was the biggest team in terms of fan base and the capital in the inaugural edition of the IPL in 2008. Since then, the mantle has been taken over by Mukesh's wife Neeta Ambani and their son Akash Ambani to take care of the franchise. The move has paid tremendous dividends as the Mumbai Indians have become the most successful franchise in terms of brand value and the number of trophies, winning 4 in the last 7 years. With Jio and Mumbai Indians still holding the excellent position, the Ambanis will continue to contribute to the Indian cricket.
Check our other whiteboard style cricket videos backed by deep research. Kindly subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Thank you.